DC voltmeter because the voltage I'm measuring here is the DC. So I'll have this here to measuring the voltage going to the non-inverting input, and I have this here to measure the voltage coming to the inverting input, and both of them are common to ground. Okay, so I will simulate. Now, as we can see, the voltage from the non-inverting input, sorry, the voltage from the inverting input, which is the Vn minus, is greater than the voltage from the non-inverting input, and here the LED is off, meaning the voltage coming here is low. Now let me make the voltage here greater than here now. So I'm going to increase the voltage. So immediately the voltage at the non-inverting input supersedes the voltage at the inverting input, the output becomes high. So I want you to note this somewhere, that whenever the Vn plus is greater than the Vn minus, the output is high. Whenever the Vn minus is greater than the Vn plus, the output is what? Low. Because this is the basic operation of this man. That's the basic operation we are going to do what? To work with. So I did this just to prove the operation so you can actually do what? Understand the operation.